its problems. Now see examples. Big problems. 6 mark question. Using epsilon delta, definition of limit of function. Prove that limit of function 3x minus 2y will be 40 as xy tends to 4 minus 1 is x tends to 4, y tends to minus 1. So of course this limit will be x tends to 4, 3 into 4, 12, minus 2, y into minus 1, minus plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, this will be answer for. You have to verify. This limit will be verify definition from the definition. So this big question, 6 mark question, verification. So function here, this is function. Let the half xy. Function is here 3x minus 2y. Limit is 40. Limit of this function is 40. Okay. So function this one and this point. Okay. So we have to show what for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists a delta greater than 0 by definition of limit. For every epsilon greater than 0 there is a delta greater than 0 such that okay mod of xy pair minus 0.4 minus 1 this less than delta, okay, point minus p1 pi. Then try to show function minus limit must be less than epsilon. Okay, function minus limit must be less than epsilon. Epsilon आ गया, proof खत्म. Okay, so not epsilon that is not we get, but a choice. Now this mod means we know what is mod means is a distance formula. Mod means distance formula. Distance formula x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square less than delta. Okay, mod means distance formula. Distance between this point. What is distance formula? X minus 4 plus y minus 1 is y plus 1. So root of square is less than delta. That means x minus 4 must be less than delta. Y minus means y plus 1 will be less than delta. Obviously. Actually I want mod. Therefore mod of x minus 4 is less than delta. Mod of y plus 1 will be less than delta. This is known to us from the left side. This is known to us and this you have to show. Implies this is given to you and this you have to show. You have to show this less than epsilon. So this consider this we have to show, that is consideration. So consider function minus limit f of xy minus here, consider, and finally show less than epsilon. The proof is complete. So function here, okay, function is 3x minus 2y, limit is 40. 3x minus 2y. Now I want no factor. I want here factors are, okay? Because one of the factors must be x minus 4, other factor must be pi plus 1. Because this is given to you. So try to make factor here x minus 4. X minus 4. So 3x minus 12 and 2y minus 2. So 14 break such a way that. So I get x minus 4. 3 common. X minus 4. Minus 2 common. Y plus 1. So more factors to get x minus 4. One factor. Y plus 1. Second factor. So this break constant always. With the constant such a way that we get a this like factor. Okay. So 3 will be common. X minus 4. Minus 2 will be common. Y plus 1. Okay. Now separate. Less than. Separate. Less than. So 3 outside. Constant. X minus 4. Minus 2 becomes a plus 2. And y plus 1. 3 constant. Mod of x minus 4. Mod. Separate mod. Now what is known to us? 3 same. So x minus 4 less than delta. We know. 2. Y plus 1 less than delta. Both the factors, okay? non-factors. So 3 delta plus 2 delta is a 5 delta. But I want here epsilon. Okay, तो epsilon आता नहीं है, इनको चॉइस करना पड़ेगा. Okay, that is because here is no epsilon, तो epsilon कैसे आएगा? Okay, you have to take choice. So I want here epsilon. So take this as epsilon. Okay, choose 5 delta as a epsilon. That you choose कर लेने का. So 5 delta is epsilon. Means what is delta? Is epsilon upon 5. Okay, yes, complete. Existence. So, thus, for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta. What is delta now here? Value is epsilon 5. Delta depends on epsilon. Generally, value delta. So delta is now here in this problem epsilon by 5. What is your purpose? Okay. Such that, okay, mod of xy pair minus second point is 4 minus 1 is less than delta, then we show is like 3x minus 2y minus 14 is less than epsilon. Function minus limit. Therefore, this 14 is called as limit of the function. 14 is called as a limit of the function. At that point is xy pair tends to 4 minus 1. 2 variable. Mass 2 variable. Mass 1 variable. See mass 1. There is a 1 variable limit function. In the mass 2 variable. Okay. So this is like verification. Simple verification. One more example. We take same thing. Using epsilon delta definition of limit of the function, prove that limit of function x square plus 2y is 3 and xy tends to 1 1. So of course x equals to 1, 1 square 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 3. No. वो क्वेश्चन नहीं है. क्वेश्चन is verify the limit of the function by definition. Definition is epsilon delta. Epsilon delta definition से verify करना है. Okay. So same technique as our previous problem. Now here okay, let function as here f of xy as it. This is a function of limit. Limit is 3. Okay. Now we have to show by definition. To show by the definition. What? For every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta greater than 0. This is new. We don't know. Epsilon is known to us. Delta is unknown. Such a way that mod of xy pair minus point is 1 1 is less than delta, then we have to show, this is given to you, we have to show function minus limit is 3 is less than epsilon. Okay, epsilon we not get, we have to choice. Okay. Again, meaning of this is mod means, okay, distance formula x minus 1 whole square y minus 1 whole square less than delta. So root of whole square is less than delta means what? These factors x minus 1 factor must be less than delta, y minus 1 factor must be less than delta. Therefore their mod also less than delta. Their mod also less than delta. So I want to use here factors. So this is given to you. Now we have to show this. So take this consideration. जो शो करना है वो एज्यूम करने का. Mod of f of xy minus 3. So here function is okay, x square plus twice y. Limit is 3. So break such a way that I want the factors x minus 1, y minus 1, Okay, so x square minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3 as a minus 1 here because x square minus 1 two factors are there, x minus 1 and x plus 1 two factors, they are two common, y minus 1 ये factor मिलना चाहिए. So x square minus 1 two factors are x minus 1 one factor, x plus 1 second factor, 2 is common, y minus 2. So y minus 1. Okay, separate now. Less than. So mod of x minus 1, mod of x plus 1, 2 times mod of y minus 1. We know only x minus 1 and y minus 1. X plus 1 don't know. So x plus 1 less than delta x minus 1. This is less than delta. Now problem is that x plus 1 don't know. X plus 1, okay, we don't know. So in that case, what is technique? Is it? So here, as x minus 1 mod is less than delta. So take standard choice, delta is 1. Remember. Okay. If it's like position, situation, then other factors are there, not from the known factors. Okay. Then choose delta equals to 1. Delta equals to 1. Okay. Then we know mod relation, mod of x minus a less than delta. Then what is x lie between? Meaning of mod, x lie between a minus delta left side and a plus delta right side. Remember in mathematics. So mod of x minus a less than delta. Then x lie between a minus delta left side and a plus delta right side. Remember this standard. So here x lie between 1 minus 1 left side and 1 plus 1 right side. A is 1. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. So x lie between 0 to 2. But I want x plus 1. So adding 1. So x plus 1 bigger value 3. Okay, mod also. So x bigger value, you have to put here bigger value, not smaller value. So mod of x plus 1 is less than 3. So now here 3. Okay. So therefore mod of f of xy minus 3 will be less than delta, and in case of x plus 1, 3 bigger value. So 3 delta and 2 delta, again 5 delta as a for this example. Yes, example. So same thing. I want here epsilon. Epsilon चाहिए नहीं आऊँ. तो method वही. Okay. Take 5 delta means epsilon. That means delta will be epsilon upon 5. Okay. Standard case. Okay. So in this way we shall. So thus. For every epsilon greater than 0, there is a delta. Delta is now unknown to us. Epsilon by 5. Okay. Such a way that mod of xy pair minus 1 pair is less than delta. Then we show function minus limit is less than epsilon. Function minus limit consideration, and finally we show here less than epsilon. Okay. Means 3 is a limit of the function, given function. Yes. Okay, so limit known to us only verify by the definition. Limit is known to us of their function, not evaluate. This is not problem of the evaluate. That is a verify. Okay, so this function limit. Now continuity. After limit, we know in the previous standard continuity. Continuity depend on the limit. Continuity depend on the limit. So what is the definition of continuity? What is one because in the continuity? In the limit of the function f of xy minus L. Okay, f of xy minus L. Then L is called as a limit. Then L is called as a limit of the function. It is a limit. Now continuity, see what is the difference? in the continuity. So let f of xy be a function defined on D region of R2 space, two dimension. Our problem is our two variable problem. So two dimension, xy plane or any plane. And take one point x0, y0 is a one point, only one point at verify continuity or limit a any point. Then this function f of xy is said to be continuous at this point x0 y0 if same epsilon delta for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta greater than 0. Okay, such a way that same mod of xy pair minus x0 y0 pair is less than delta, same part. Then now in here mod function f of xy function minus limit here. In the limit what? Limit, because limit of the function. There is no limit because it is a continuity. इसलिए क्या आता है? Value of the function f of x0 y0. Same to same. Only here limit of the function L is there. L is called as the limit of the function. And here is what? Value of the function. Value of f function at this point x0 y0. Okay. So function minus value of the function. f of x0 y0 and value f of 2 3 is the value of the function in the problems. So this way. So function minus value of the function. This what? Now this is f of x0 y0 is called as limit of the function because this like then a is called as limit of the function. So here same. So f of x0 y0 is called as limit of the function also. Okay. So this is continuity. What is continuity? This limit of the function equals to value of the function must be matched. So, limit of the function equals to value. ये value है. Any value is like 10 or any one. So this value and limit value must be same. Then continuous. So what is your continuous? You have to check this one. Limit of the function equals to value of the function. Okay, that is continuity. Limit of function equals to value of the function. This must be same, equal. Then okay, you can say continuous. Limit है. Okay, so limit. Value I think given to you in the problems. You used to know place 100, 1100. So limit of the function equals to value of the function. That means continuity. Okay, it's the best meaning of continuity. Now continuity problems or theorems. Theorem very difficult. Just easy portion. Do that the function f of xy equal to x plus y is continuous for all the point xy general. But I take one point, special point. So I take one point. So function, given function is f of xy is x plus y, addition now x plus y, and so it's continuous for all general point of xy plane. You take one special point, take let x0 y0 is one point of this R2 space, two dimension space, and verify to show this f function is continuous at this point. That means what? Okay. For every epsilon greater than 0, I want delta greater than 0 such a way that mod of xy pair x0 y0 pair is less than delta, then mod of f of xy minus f of f0 y0 is less than f. Here no EL. In the continuity there is no EL. So here in case of EL we have to apply it. Okay. Okay. From this we know x minus f0 and their mod is less than delta as we explained. Y minus y0, that means their mod is less than delta. Factors are. Okay. So left side known to us. I want now this show. So this consideration always जो show करना है वो consider करने का. So mod of f of x y function minus value consider and show less than f epsilon. ऐसा आता नहीं है choice. So function is what? S plus y. Value now in case of x f0 and y0. Okay. So f0 plus y0. F of xy s plus y. F of x0 y0 in case of x f0. In case of y y0. This is same as x minus f0 one factor, y minus y0 second factor. Separate mod less than mod of x minus f0, mod of y minus y0, separate mod. Now known to us x minus f0 less than delta, y minus y0 less than delta is what? 2 delta. I want here epsilon. epsilon आता नहीं है, remember तुमको चॉइस करना है हर बार. Choose 2 delta as a epsilon. I want here in case of here only epsilon चाहिए अपने को, वो चॉइस कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे जितना भी आता है वो चॉइस कर लेंगे. So 2 delta is epsilon. That means delta will be epsilon by 2. Okay, yes, complete. So thus again finally write down definition. So thus for every epsilon greater than 0 there exists delta. Delta is now here epsilon by 2 positive way, epsilon positive way, epsilon by 2 will be also positive. Okay. Such a way that mod of xy pair minus f0 y0 pair is less than delta. Then we have shown f of xy minus f of f0 y0 is less than epsilon. Okay. That is what? This f of f0 y0 is a limit. Limit of the function, वो equation from limit of function. As it is रहेगा, that is called as limit. So this is limit of the function this. Point जो भी है mention. F of f0 y0 is a limit of the function. So limit of the function equals to value of the function is what? Continuity. So this is continuous at x0 y0 at a single point. We verify at a single point means every point. That means this is continuous. Okay, for all xy pair for every point. Check for one point in mathematics. True for one point is true for every point. So this just at this point is at every point, all the point of R2 space. R2 space xy plane suppose every entire R2 space. 2 dimension, R2 is 2 dimension. xy plane. Yeah, yz plane, not necessarily xy plane. Okay. So this plane. Okay.